Hi, I'm Wade with Winnebago Motorhomes in Rockford, Illinois, and today we're going to be looking at a brand new 2025 Winnebago View 24T floor plan. This is actually a brand new floor plan on the View lineup, so I'm excited to show it to you guys. There's a lot of cool new features. So like I said, we've got a new floor plan here, but the Winnebago View is still built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. New update here, this is the Mercedes high output 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It's actually got more horsepower, more torque, and you might notice this one stands a little bit taller than some of the Views we've looked at before because this has an all-wheel drive chassis. So this is an optional feature now on the View 24T, and when you get it like that, the front cap there will be the low profile front cap, and that's only with the all-wheel drive platform. So right over here by our entry door, we've got our first compartment as well as a couple of plugins here for outside appliances and TV hookup. But this is also kind of a new feature for the newer models. We've got the side hinge doors, so a little bit easier access to get at that storage down there. Right here, we've still got an LP quick connect hookup, which you've had on the Views before. And then this is really the coolest feature on the outside as far as storage goes. This is a rear gear garage. It's heated. It's lighted in there as well with LED lighting. We've got cargo tie downs on the bottom of the compartment, at the top of the compartment. You've also got plug-ins back there if you're gonna charge any e-bikes or anything like that. Completely pass-through storage, goes from side to side, very tall. This rear bay accounts for about 68 cubic feet of storage in the total 80 cubic feet of exterior storage that's available on the 24T View. And just right to the other side here, we've got our shore power hookup right on the outside. We've got outside shower here as well as our drain handles. And then we've got our freshwater inlet black tank flush there. Got more storage on the slide out right here. And then more storage underneath the slide, again with the side hinge doors. Access to our propane. And then access to our propane generator. So right off the bat here, the front end looks really similar to some of the other Views you've seen in the past. One big difference is what's above me here. Since this is the all-wheel drive chassis, we've actually just got storage above me here instead of a sleeper bed. And then right behind our driver's seat here, we've got our theater seat, which can actually seat 3 if you put this up. Otherwise, flip it down. You've got cup holders there, and you've got electric seats with controls right in the seats themselves for reclining. Right behind this, we've got our Murphy bed, which is controlled on the wall over here, but that Murphy bed comes right down for a quick, easy setup for your bed. Just behind that, we've got the actual kitchen area, tons of storage with huge pull-out soft close drawers. We've got an induction cooktop, propane burner. We've got a convection oven, microwave. Like I said, lots of storage above and below. Huge single basin sink here, as well as a pop-up power console there in the countertop. Got a little countertop extension here just to the left of the countertop. You need a little bit more space. That's right there for you, as well as access to the drawer or the cabinet space below. And then right behind me, we're gonna have our 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator. And right next to that, we've actually got 2 pretty good sized pull-out pantries. All easy access in the kitchen. And if you just keep following around here, we've just got right across from the main seating area, we've got our TV with sound bar, storage on either side, and then we've got our table that folds up in a way, or folds down in a way when you're not using it. Dual pane windows on this one, which is optional. They tip out. You've got a bug screen as well as a day-night shade. And one of the coolest features too on the new 24T View is the Winnebago Connect system. This is a Winnebago exclusive system, pairs right with the Winnebago app. You can access all your lights, control your lights, monitor your energy management, see what's going in and out of your batteries, climate control. It's also got a very popular pet minder on there, so you can keep an eye on your pets while they're in here if you're out and about. So in the very back of the 24T View, we've got a very large side-to-side bathroom. Right when you walk in, you've got a large shower surround area with a seat in it for when you're showering. You can just sit down. We've got toilet directly across from that, as well as our corner sink with a mirror storage to the left, below. And in the very back area here, you've got two garage doors that sort of slide open for you. One side, you've got pull-out drawers with soft close, adjustable shelving. And the other side, you've got a huge closet space for hanging up clothes and just storing all of your gear in general. So that is a brief overview of the new 2025 Winnebago View 24T model. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit us online at winnebagomotorhomes.com or stop in and see us in person at our store in Rockford, Illinois. Please reach out to us if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.